Let's go! Dino is coming! Dino is coming! Dino is coming! Tell them Dino is coming! Dino is coming! Dino is coming! Dino is coming!
Chief Administration Officer of this great party. We are showing the world what democracy is all about. Development and progress for the state and the people. When you vote PDP, you vote light. Development and progress.
You're missing your phone.
Mr. Chairman and NWC members, our committee work and deliver. Kogi people and other contacts, development and progress. We work hard to deliver our candidate and brother Senator Dino Melaye. And of course, my brother here, Governor Tame. Like we prevail over time. This forthcoming election, thanks for the opportunity to serve this election. Love you all and thank you all for coming. Thank you.
Particularly PDP in Bayelsa. This is a governorship election in Bayelsa. And so we are well organized. Rather, we even have more members of the opposition coming into Bayelsa PDP. And so those are no issues in Bayelsa State. Bayelsa PDP is very strong. Bayelsa PDP is very vibrant. And Bayelsa PDP is poised to win that election. Yeah. I can give you on a scale, it will be like 80 to 20% in Bayelsa.
You will say how ready is PDP for Imo State?
The party to beat in Kogi State. And I assure the people of Kogi State that my name is Daniel. And Daniel is used to taming lions. I befriend lions. I kiss lions. I subdue lions.